So in this video, I'm going to go over some techniques of how to combine multiple PDFs into one. Most likely this will happen when you create PDFs out of some of the assignments in Illustrator. InDesign handles multiple pages better and is able to create PDFs all in one. But a lot of times you're going to get individual PDFs from Illustrator that need to be combined together. This could also potentially happen in InDesign as well. These techniques will also be able to help you edit PDFs. Potentially, maybe you want to remove just one page and add one back in, or an edit potentially like that. So the first thing I'm going to show is with Acrobat Pro. So if you have Acrobat Pro, you can go ahead and just open the program, go to File, Create, and then combine files into a single PDF. It's a very simple process. It's going to bring up a dialog where I can drag files into this window, or I can click Add Files and navigate to the files that I want to add. When I click Add Files, you'll notice that they appear right here. And I can go ahead and combine these files together. And it creates a PDF that I'm able to look at all in one. Now you can also click over here, this page thumbnails, and you can see the pages, so you can reorder them. You could delete a page if you needed to. And you could also add a page. If you came in and dragged a PDF into this area, you'll notice that it actually adds the page to this document. So that's another technique. You could also just open one of the PDFs that you have and drag all of the other PDFs into this page thumbnail menu, and then at the end do a save or a save as to create one master file that you'll ultimately turn into Blackboard. There is also a way to do this with Preview. So if you go ahead and you open up these two files in Preview, or whatever files that you have that you want to work with, they'll appear over here. And you'll notice that this one actually has 2 pages in it already. So there's these little drop downs that allow you to see that. And I'm going to go ahead and delete this page out of that PDF. So then what you can do here, if these were separate PDFs like they are now, is you can drag one into the other, and you'll notice this green plus appears. And when you do that, it actually adds that page to this PDF. And then again, you can change the order around, and you can go ahead and save this PDF something else, a different name, and then ultimately post it onto Blackboard. So hopefully that helps if you're combining PDFs or you need to edit a PDF. Unfortunately, I know everything I'm showing is for a Mac. We operate on a Mac lab, so I do keep the software tutorials based on Mac. But if you Google combining PDFs, I'm sure there are convenient ways to do this as well on a PC that you will find. So I hope that helps, and feel free to email your instructor if you have any other questions.